Hey guys, this is Edesfonnt, and as you guys can see from the title, I'll be showing you my go-to wash day routine, which consists of 5 simple steps that are backed by science. And I do this every other week to maintain the health of my hair and scalp. So without further wasting time, let's get right into it. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. I usually keep it stretched, but right now it's very dried and tangled, especially at the ends, as you guys can see. And that's because I didn't moisturize it between washes, so that's my fault. So in my upcoming video, I'll be showing you how I do my protein treatment and also do a trim. So stay tuned for that as well. But yes, let's jump into the first step, which is a pre-wash treatment, also known as pre-poo. So for me, doing pre-poo really helps to protect my hair during the washing process, and it also helped me to reduce hydro fatigue. I'll be using my homemade coconut and Tacoma scalp and hair pre-wash treatments. Okay, this stuff is amazing. Right now it's melted a little bit because of the hot weather. This thing is very soft. It melts into my scalp and hair as soon as I apply it, and that's because it has penetrating ingredients. And the tutorial on how I made this will be listed in the description section below. So if you're interested, you can watch that after this video. All right, so, and it smells good too. But now I did some research on the reasons why pre-poo is great for our hair. So while I apply this, I'm going to explain it to you. Let's go. One study from the International Journal of Trichology explains that compared to other hair types, Afro-textured hair is fragile when exposed to hair care routines like repeated rough handling and washing, as well as unprotected heat styling and drying. And these routines cause our hair shaft to lose their water-hating lipid layers. That's why when we use oils, it replenishes the hydrophobic layers, thereby reducing the amount of water entering the hair shaft, leading to less hydro fatigue, which is the cycle of swelling and drying of the hair. Plus, by doing pre-poo with penetrating oils, it will fill in the gap between the cuticle cells, preventing penetration of aggressive substances into the hair shaft. And I know there's a controversy surrounding natural hair and oil use, so let me know in the comment section whether you do pre-poo or you're against using oils. Alright, so to retain heat, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag and in a silk cap. Now that I'm done, I'm gonna wait 2 hours before I step into the shower. Now I'm in the shower and I'm rinsing off the pre-poo using warm water. And again, because my hair is lubricated, I'm able to finger detangle large knots and tangles with minimal breakage. Once I'm done, I'm moving to the second step, the shampoo. I usually alternate between the moisturizing shampoo and the clarifying shampoo. So this time I'm using the African black soap, which is a clarifying cleanser. And I love this stuff. I use it for my face and body as well. But I do understand some people may not like African black soap because they feel it's too drying on their skin and hair. But for me, I've been using it for decades, so I haven't experienced any issues as long as I follow up with a rich moisturizing conditioner. And again, I only use it once a month to clarify my hair. But you know, I had to do some research about this too, so here it is. Another study from the International Journal of Trichology explains that the normal pH for the scalp is 5.5, whereas for the hair is only 3.67. And as a result, using a high pH shampoo above 5.5 may increase friction, frizz, breakage, and enhanced tangling. So the study suggested that the ideal low pH shampoo to be 5.5 and below. But the problem was, after testing all 123 popular shampoo brands, the pH ended up ranging from 3.5 all the way to 9, where roughly 61% having pH above 5.5. Okay, so keep that in mind and let's now look into the African black soap. So according to the study from the Journal of Applied Sciences and Environmental Management, the African black soap is a combination of water, roasted plantain skin, cocoa pod, palm kernel oil, and sometimes with honey and shea butter. And depending on the ingredients that they've used, the pH can range from 8.9 to 9.58. Okay, that's pretty high. But it also explains that African black soap offers protection against UV rays and skin disorders. It offers rich lather, and it contains high concentration of iron along with vitamin A and E. So yeah, what do you guys think of these findings? I want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. But for me, I still love African Black Soap as a clarifying shampoo because it does the job of actually clarifying my hair and scalp. Plus, that's another reason why doing pre-poo with oil is great because it protects the hair from these aggressive surfactants by filling in the gap between the cuticles. Alright, after rinsing my hair very well using warm water, my hair feels squeaky clean, which is what I'm looking for in a clarifying shampoo. Okay, moving on to the third step, the deep conditioner. So for me, as I shared in my previous videos, I've been making my own hair care products, including leave-ins and deep conditioners since 2017. So since then, I haven't had a chance to try out store-bought conditioners. That's why for this video, I'm trying out this intensive hydration hair mask from Shea Moisture. But you see me here, I'm already having trouble with this product. I don't know, perhaps it was too thick for my hair because it didn't give me any slip. Adding water did help a little bit in detangling, but overall, I was very disappointed. And for the next few minutes, I tried to work with this product, even using a Tangle Teaser, which is a popular detangling brush for natural hair, but eventually I gave up. So to finish the rest of my hair, I had to reach for my homemade deep conditioner, which has tons of slip, it has soft consistency, and they're pH balanced. And you know, these features are very important for our hair because, referring back to the study, these high pH shampoo deposit negative charges causing friction between hair strands. That's why after using a high pH shampoo, we should follow up with the conditioners in order to neutralize the negative charges of the hair to prevent damage. Besides, conditioners are designed to be positively charged, which will then decrease friction and frizz, enhance detangling, improve combing effect, as well as sealing the cuticles. So yeah, have you guys tried deep conditioners from Shea Moisture? If yes, then please comment down below, and also please suggest other deep conditioners that work for you. Alright, so once my hair is covered with the deep conditioner, I'll let it sit for about 10 minutes and then rinse it out. In the meantime, if you're enjoying this content, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the notification button below so that you won't miss educational videos like this. So, this is what my hair looks like after it's cleansed, deep conditioned, and detangled. And I'm using a microfiber cloth to dry my hair as much as possible. Alright, so now I'm out of the shower, and this is what my hair looks like. And this one is with no product on. Okay, and I had the microfiber cloth on for half an hour, and now my hair is about 60 to 70% dry. So in order for me to minimize breakage and improve manageability, I'll be moisturizing and sealing my hair using the leave-in products. So here we go. So for me, I usually follow the LCO method. Well, L is the liquid, like water, which I still have in my hair. C stands for cream, and in this case, I'm using my homemade leave-in conditioner. And again, the same study reminds us that not only will conditioner provide moisture, but it will lubricate the hair shaft, thereby decreasing friction and rubbing, making it easier to comb with minimal breakage. So here, I'm using the Tangle Teaser to detangle and distribute the product evenly. Last but not least, O, which stands for oil. And here I'm using the sunflower oil mixed with fenugreek and bringraj powders. And according to the book Oils of Nature, sunflower oil is loaded with linoleic fatty acid, which makes it a sealing oil. Linoleic fatty acid is a form of polyunsaturated fats, and they're characterized as having a bulky structure with more than one double bond. And as a result, these oils will not penetrate into the hair shaft, but instead, it will leave a thin coat on the surface of the cuticle, thereby holding moisture for longer, creating shine, and minimizing friction. Alright, so finally we are at step 5, and here I'll be stretching my hair using the One Step Revlon hair dryer in a cool setting. Okay, All right, but let me just tell you something. So one day, somehow, I was called out on TikTok saying that I was promoting air drying, even though I didn't. They took it out of context, but that's besides the point. So yeah, so of course I have to do my own research. So here it is. According to Annals of Dermatology, a study was conducted to determine the best way to dry hair without damage, because they did acknowledge that blow dryers cause hair damage. So to summarize, the study tested the hair drying process on 4 different temperature settings, which include air drying in the room temperature at 20 degrees Celsius and with blow dryer on 47, 61, and at 95 degrees Celsius. And the study found that drying hair using a blow dryer caused more damage to the hair surface compared to air drying. And they emphasized that as the temperature increased, the damage was severe, which makes sense. But on the other hand, the inside of the hair shaft, so that would be the cortex, also known as cell membrane complex, was damaged only in the air-dried hair. And this is because the cell membrane complex was not able to withstand prolonged water exposure, which means we can't keep our hair wet for too long. So the study concluded that even though blow dryer caused more surface damage than the air-dried method, using a blow dryer from a 15 centimeter distance or about 6 inch with continuous motion is overall safer and causes less damage than the air-dried method. Well, that's interesting because that means the best option for me will be to use a hair dryer on a cool setting, which happens to be 32 to 40 degrees Celsius on this Revlon dryer. And this reading is below the lowest temperature setting the study was testing, which also means it will further help me to reduce the hair surface damage. So let me know in the comment section if you either air dry your hair or use heat to dry your hair, because I personally never heard of anybody complaining about stunting hair growth from air drying. Alright, so but yes, finally, after going through pre-poo, shampoo, deep conditioner, moisture and seal, and finally stretching, I completed my wash day routine. Hooray. Okay, that was long, but very satisfying. Now my hair feels soft, detangled, moisturized, and ready for style. And when I go to bed, I use a scrunchie, the silk scrunchie, to just loosely tie my hair, like so. And then I use a silk cap to protect my hair. Okay, and this is for me to prevent my hair from rubbing and causing unnecessary breakage. So yes, so thank you so much for staying till the end. I'll list all the research articles that I've mentioned today in the description section below. If you want to see more videos like this, then please comment down below. For any feedback and suggestion, give a like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you soon and stay blessed. Bye!